Hi everybody, today we're going to learn about friends of 10. What is friends of 10? Friends of 10 is when we have two numbers and you add them together and they equal 10. Okay, so this is our number right now. We need to add two numbers that equal 10. And we're going to do this by the use of our 10 frame. And I'll show you how to draw up your 10 frame. First, we're going to put out a ruler across and draw a line from one side to the other to make the top of our 10 frame. As you can see, I've done my line across from one side all the way to the other. I'm going to still line up my ruler underneath and draw a line at the bottom. This is going to be the middle of our 10 frame. So let's get our pen and we're going to draw all the way across. Alright, so I've drawn a line for the top of the 10 frame, for the middle of the 10 frame. And now I need to draw a line for the bottom. So I'm going to line my ruler up again in that underneath the middle line, and I'm going to draw my line across to make the base of the 10 frame. Over here you can see I've got the top of the 10 frame, middle 10 frame, and the base of the 10 frame. These two sections need to be divided into 5 sections across. Okay? So we're going to try and see how many we can do across. 1, so that's 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, and 5 section. We're going to get our ruler and then we're going to rule from top of the 10 frame all the way to the bottom of the 10 frame. And there you have it. We have our 10 frame. Our 10 frame, we've got 10 frames. That's 1 frame. 2 frame, 3 frame, 4th frame, 5th frame, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here we go, we're back to our magic number again, 10, because we want to know how to make friends of 10. You can also do this freehand if you didn't have a ruler. So we can get line down, line across, down, so make a rectangle first, divide it into 2 sections, and then make 5 sections in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Just like that. I'm going to pick out 2 colours. And I've got 2 colours because I'm going to do one side. I'm going to colour in all the 10 frames, one colour. So I'm going to go through and colour all the 10 frames until they're all coloured in the same colour. Okay, so we need to keep going and colouring all these frames, one colour. Now you can see I've coloured in all of it green. I'm going to turn it over and you can see the outline of my 10 frame from the other side. So draw your lines again and you're going to colour it another colour. So pick another colour, mine's red, and I'm going to colour in the 10 frame on the back of the paper as well. As you can see, I've coloured the 10 frames. This is my red side and this is my green side. I'm going to go ahead and cut each square out. Okay, just follow the lines, cut them out, and we should have 10 squares cut out. Alright, so I've cut them out, and see, we've got red on the back, green on one side. We're going to put them in our little bowl. Give them a little shake. On another piece of paper, we're going to draw a 10 frame again. So exactly what you did to make this, but we're not cutting it out this time. I've got my 10 frame ready to go that I've drawn out. I've got my frames in here. These are going to be like my little counters. And we're going to learn which numbers give us friends of 10. So after we shake this, we're going to drop them. I'm going to spread them out so we can see what have dropped. Don't turn any over, just spread them out. Okay. So I'm going to line them up on my 10 frame over here. We'll start with the reds. And one more. And as you can see, I've got 3 more spots still left because I've got 3 greens. I'm going to put them. We're going to work out our number sentence now. How many reds and how many greens give us 10? Our number sentence might look like this. Let's count the reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 plus 1, 2, 3. And what do you think that gives us? 7 plus 3 equals 10. Do the same thing again. Let's pour them back into our little container. Wriggle them up again. Okay, wriggle them up. And pour them out again. Spread them out. So I've got a red here. Whoops.